This is Joe with Elegant Eagle Web Design. This is the third video of the basic working with pages in WordPress. And we're going to use our kettlebells page and look at a few more things that we can see when we're working with pages. Now, I like to work with pages and I like to see the big view. I like to see the overview, but we're kind of limited by the size of this window. So what we can do is go to Screen Options, and I'll just set that to number of columns instead of 2. Set it to 1. That way I can easily go back to 2 without having to eliminate or add or delete any of these options I have. And now we have a full page. And I can even make that larger. If I scroll down a little here and make it larger just like that. Super. We're going to put some titles in the page. So I want to take the first 2 words there and we'll separate them out like this, and I'm going to make that the title, the paragraph. We'll make that heading 1, and just to keep things interesting, we will make this one here heading 2, and you'll be able to see the difference in sizes. And these are good to use. Search engines like to look at your headings, so that's important to do. If search engine optimization is important to you. We can also change the colors of text. If you've done any work with an editor, this will look pretty familiar to you. We can highlight text like that. We can put in links to text if there's any area we specifically want to link in. We can link to another web page in our own site or any site on the internet, or a video on YouTube or a Facebook page. We can do all of that. So the other thing we can do here with the structure that I use to build websites is to set up a page that has its own type of view and its own layout. If we look at kettlebells, we see we have kettlebells on the left and we have a widget section. This is very interesting. We'll get into these in other videos, but very interesting for adding content and functions to websites. But we don't want to see that in this page. So let's select a different layout. We'll select full width. And we'll hit update, and then we'll go back to our page and hit refresh. Isn't that great? With WordPress we can see immediately what it's going to look like on the web, and here's our full width page. That looks pretty good, and if we want, we still have the widget sections at the bottom. And that is just a little more information, a little bit more about working with pages. Joe with Elegant Eagle Web Design. Have a great day.